Okay, for this class there is no additional purchases which you would need to make. All of the software which we're going to be using will be free and open source, and there is only in fact a few things which we're going to need. But before we do though, let's now take a look at the requirements so we don't get too overwhelmed. Since this is a web development class, you should at least know the basics, and it will be assumed you know HTML and CSS pretty well, and are also comfortable using JavaScript. You don't need to be an expert, but you'll at least need to know the basics. I do have classes available on each of these if you need to brush up first, and also if you have experience of other JavaScript frameworks or libraries, such as Angular or React, or even Vue version 1 or 2, this will be a great benefit, but not essential. Also, we'll be making minor use of the terminal, but if you've not used this in the past, don't worry about it. We're only going to make use of a few simple commands. Visual Studio Code will be the text editor which I'm going to use throughout this course. It's currently very popular in the web development world, but you can use any other editor which you prefer. If you need it, the download link is here to follow, and it's also completely free. Another benefit is it comes with a built-in terminal which we'll use to set up our project and install the packages which we may need. But also, if you are comfortable with the terminal and you maybe have your own external one such as iTerm, this is completely fine to use too. So with this in mind, let's move on to the next video where we'll take a look at how we can set up our project using Vite.